Hello everybody, welcome to Heather's Crafty Life 4-year YouTube anniversary hop. I think I got that right. I was really excited when she asked me to join because we've been online crafty friends for quite a while. So of course I said yes, and all of these supplies and all of the other participants in the YouTube hop and all of the other details you need for the hop will be listed in the description box below, and I will also have a coordinating blog post, so be sure to check it out if you are interested in any of the supplies that I'm using. So I started off by trimming down my my little photo there, and I'm just showing you that I'm taking the new Altenew washi tape, which is amazing. I cannot get enough of this. And I put it on some white cardstock, and then I fussy cut out some of the floral clusters, and that is basically all I really used for my layout as far as embellishments. So because I'm going to be adding a little bit of sprays and paints, I'm taking some clear gesso so that I prep the cardstock so the sprays do not seep into the paper. And this is from Prima marketing, and as the paintbrush is from Prima as well. All of the supplies will be listed down below, so be sure to check it out in the description box. So for Heather's YouTube hop, she created 4 exclusive sketches that you can see, I'm pretty sure, over on her blog, so be sure to check it out. I am using one that you saw in the beginning of the video, and I will have it also over on my blog as well, so you could see. But because my style is so different, is a very loose interpretation of her sketch, but it definitely did inspire me, and it did inspire this layout. So I am keeping with the center, or keeping the texture in the center of the layout, and I use some not modeling paste, light paste, and a stencil from Crafter's Workshop to add a little bit of texture. And then after that dries, I'm taking this 49 in Market stamp with some Archival ink, and I'm using Archival ink because I'm going to be adding a little bit of sprays, so I don't want it to bleed, and they are waterproof, so it's really nice. So this one is like a gray color. I forget the colors at the moment, but everything will be listed down below, like I said. So I'm just randomly stamping here and there, and realistically I probably should have done this before I added the light paste, but it's alright. It ends up looking really good. It adds a lot of texture in the background, and that's all I really wanted. So now I'm adding a little bit of blue so that I can tie in the background texture with the flowers that I'm going to be adding, the washi tape flowers. So again, I'm just randomly stamping here and there, and I like to kind of fold the stamp, as you could see, so I'm not getting like a good impression. It's kind of just random and different spots of the stamp as well. So now I am going to start layering everything onto the layout. This layout is pretty simple. The main focus is really these really gorgeous floral clusters from the washi tape that I had cut out, and I'm adding them so that they frame the photo, and I add a little bit of foam onto some of them so they pop up a little bit, and then some of them straight onto the cardstock. I am going to continue to just layer up these flowers, and I will be back shortly. recently got some 49 in Market flowers, which are amazing, and I'm using these white ones because I really wanted this layout to be light and airy. I almost colored these blue, but I decided that white would be perfect. So I add them kind of here and there. They're pretty small, so they were perfect for this layout. And I add some upholstery thread underneath some of them just to give the layout a little bit more texture. So now what I'm doing is I am taking some distress spray in picket fence, and this gives lots of cool texture with some white splatters, which I do often. And then I decided that I was going to be brave and do some splatters with some Ken Oliver Color Burst powder, which I added a little bit of water to. And initially this would have been perfect. I liked how it looked. And then in the end, I try to add more splatters, which I actually Photoshop out some of them because I just didn't like how it looked. And I normally do not do that. But anyways, you saw me there adding some Nuvo drops. And then now I'm taking these Altenew wood veneers. And then I add some Versamark. And then now I'm adding some white embossing powder. And then I will heat set that so it melts the powder, and then now I'm just going to add them to my layout. I felt it just needed just a little extra something. So you could see on the top and then you know, the right side where my hand is, just those blue splatters just were a little bit too much for me. I should have used a smaller paintbrush, I think. Anyway, so I'm just going to continue to add these few wood veneer pieces. The adventure sticker is from Tim Holtz, and then the Love This Moment little die cut piece is from 49 in Market, and I wanted to keep the titles, or you know, the quotes and stuff, pretty simple on this layout. And as you could see, I think I said this already, but I did add quite a few of the Nuvo drops. And I did actually add them straight to my layout this time. I normally like to add them to my craft mat and then I'll add them to my project, but I knew I wanted to add quite a bit of them just to give, you know, just some dimension and texture on this layout. That is going to complete the layout for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Be sure to check out all of the other videos in the hop. And here is a couple more videos you might enjoy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and share it on social media. And I want to thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.